Cholesterol is a fat that travels in your bloodstream through your body. Your cells use cholesterol as a building material. Over time, a lot of cholesterol can build up inside the walls of your arteries. A buildup of cholesterol causes fatty streaks to form in your arteries. This is part of a process called atherosclerosis, which narrows and stiffens the arteries. The longer the cholesterol sits in the artery wall, the harder it gets. Eventually, a fatty streaking gets so large and hard that it cracks, causing a clot to form around the crack. This clot can block the artery, causing a heart attack or stroke. It's never too late to make changes to protect your heart health. Think about your future, being there for your family, your plans, and to protect your heart. There are small steps you can take today to lower your risk. If you smoke, stop smoking, make heart healthy eating and drinking choices, move more, lose weight, talk to your doctor about medications.